A normal Jeep Trackhawk is fitted with a 6.2-liter V8 that makes 707 horsepower. But this thing is special. It has been tuned to make 1,000 horsepower, lifted and fitted with off-road suspension. Oh, since it's going to be having fun in the sand, it also has paddle tires. Look at it spit all that sand.
Oh my God.
Why that supercharger whine is so loud? It looks like a tow RC car playing in the sand. Oh no, it got stuck. What a loser. Shouldn't have stopped at the top. Wow, stuck again. Just like that, it's back to play some more. Look at that thing bounce. Yeah, baby. That thing is fast. Go, Trackhawk, go. The Trackhawk is just bullying everybody in these races. Wow, look at it fly like a hawk. Well, folks, looks like this Trackhawk was not meant to take jumps. Yep, I think it's done. I mean, look at all that smoke. But it did do pretty well overall in the sand. What do you guys think?